recognition. Even in Game 1, ang ganda rin ng minuto, ng production and quality minutes for the team. But talk about yung tiwala na pinapakita sa'yo or binibigay sa'yo ng coaches mo sa Meralco.
First of all, I want to thank God. Yun nga, sinasabi sa amin ng mga coaches na kailangan doblehin yung hard work na binibigay sa amin. Tsaka, syempre, pinendura yun. Kailangan maging focus ka. Every possession of the mahalaga. Kaya yung tinitake ko lang every time na pinapasok ko ni coach, talagang mindset ko lagi is ready. Kasi hindi mo masasabi. Yun nga, ayun, thank God kasi ang ganda yung contribution ko.
Before I turn it over to the media, Jansen, follow up lang. Being ready and hindi takot to take big shots, and Rania, yung Ginebra, where is the confidence coming from?
Ayun, every practice, before practice, talagang mindset ko talaga mag-extra shooting ako kasi lahat naman ng mga players kailangan gano'n eh. Yung mindset nila gano'n kasi hindi ka naman lagi bibigyan ng opportunity na ganito. Kaya once na binigyan ka ng opportunity, talagang grab mo lang. Tapos yun, talagang pagtrabaho mo lang.
Now open the floor to questions from the media.
Kakaroon ng tiwala yung mga coaches kayo?
Siguro, yun nga, talagang kung anong binibigay sa akin ng mga coaches, talagang nagtatrabahuan ko. Tsaka siguro sa ngayon, sobrang inspired talaga ako dahil sa family ko, sa baby ko. Kaya sobrang thankful ako kasi binigyan ako ng mga.
Coach, can you add on that?
Ganda yung story ni Jansen kasi kung isipin mo, he was in 2 teams na tinanggal na siya. So he's almost like a walk-in sa amin. So ito yung, we're proud about guys like Jansen kasi parang he's a Meralco employee, they put their hard hats on. Mahirap yung mga trabaho ng linemen, he's the same way. And nagulat yan, Coach Nenad also saying, coaching staff was saying na we need some extra guys to contribute, just can't be the fighter, diba? So, kung sino yung magandang pinapakita na both ends of the court, yun. And Jansen's that. I'm just happy for him. He's got a new baby, he's come a long way. He walked into the gym. He's one of the first guys there in the gym shooting. Yung call time namin, 2-3 hours, he's there already. And he's a testament to what, alam mo, hard work can do. He was taken already. Ni-wave na siya ng madaming team. Pero ako, nakakataba ng puso when he comes on the court kasi nakikita ng mga kapwa-teammate niya. He was big. He made shots, buwing loob. We're lucky to have a guy like Jansen.